The name is Finley. I help people understand the world of money. It can change the course of your life. Believe in that and believe in you. Understanding the financial services industry. Number one, they produce and they make products and services to make them a lot of money off the average individual. Think about that. They're not making those products for you, they're making it for them. Number two, once created, they put together marketing campaigns to sell you on the idea that those products and services are going to help you. No, they're going to help them. Number three, it's a lie. It is a legal lie when they tell you that products are built and created to help you. And here we're talking about Wall Street sending out their salespeople, fee-based advisors, life insurance agents, investment brokers, people who make money off commissions and loads, selling products that make money for them at the average individual's expense. Your knowledge can stop that. Number four, you must learn how to go around all of that industry. To go around, meaning you don't pay commissions, you don't pay loads, and you don't pay high expense ratios into managed mutual funds. You go around all those helpers and their expensive products and own inexpensive products that make money for you, not them. And that leads to number five. That's why you own no-load index mutual funds. Investing in stocks and bonds all over the world at a very low cost. That is how you go around the financial services industry. That is how you end up making money for your retirement account instead of theirs. Take the time to understand this issue. It is incredibly important. And that is how to understand the financial services industry.